Oh! Guys, my name is Rick, and this is the HD Vibe channel. If you're a regular viewer to this channel, you know I feature a lot of things two wheels and mostly Harley Davidson related. Parts and things that I get to try out, put on these motorcycles, and share with you, the viewers. Well, today's video is going to be something a little bit different, and I'm going to show you something today that is two wheels, but you might be a little bit surprised by it. And we'll get into it right after this. That's right, guys. Today a little bit different. What I have in this box is what I'm going to show to you guys today. And this is the TST R002. And this is, well, it's two-wheeled. It's not a Harley Davidson, but it has some pedal power, which is good for my exercise. I need to start getting more exercise. And it also has battery backup. This thing, I think, can get up to about 28 miles an hour. So I'm going to show you guys what we got in the box, how to put this thing together, and then we're going to give it a run for its money and see what this thing can do. We got some kind of box here with some stuff in it. Best way to get this out of here. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Open the handy dandy pocket knife here. See if we can get this to peel back. Well, that side's much easier. There you have it. There it is, the TST R002. Busted out the instructions. Step number 1 says unpack the e-bike. Check, got that done. 2, remove all the contents and check out to make sure you have everything. And I kind of looked through it. I think we have everything. So step 3 is where we actually get into assembly. So first we got to power it on, and the switch is right down here. Hit that switch right there. Then up here there's a power switch on the hand grip. You just hold that down and then your display will come up. Again, this display, digital display, it shows your trip that you're currently on, what your miles per hour are, and what your pedal assist mode are, and then where your battery level is. So I've been riding this bike a little bit around the neighborhood. It came right out of the box fully charged, and it's just got one of the bars gone on the charge. So then you have your Shimano shifter here. You have 7 speeds. You do have to shift that while you're riding the bike. You have your brakes right up here. This is your front brake. Over here is your rear brake. And then you have your controls here. So again, I turned it on by holding this. If I hold this button up the top, you'll see I have the odometer reading on there. I've got 7 miles on this bike, so we can switch that back and go back to your trip meter so you know how many miles you've ridden on that trip. Then up here we have our headlight. We can turn that headlight on. Got the headlight turned on now. So that's great for if you're riding at night. You can flip that thing on. Change your pedal assist modes. You have this plus button right here and you have a minus button right here. So I pressed that plus button. It went into mode 1. You can go to mode 2, mode 3, pedal assist 4, and pedal assist 5, which is going to be your fastest. And then if you want to bring it down mode, you hit the minus button right here, and I'll do that now. You'll see it go to 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 0. If you just want to pedal this bike, you can do so. Here's Cho Wang fat tire. I have no idea what brand that is, but these things are beefy. You can see the width. I would say they're probably a good 4 to 5 inches wide. Nice base for riding on road or off road. You have your adjustable suspension up here. You have full suspension up here in the front on the front forks. And Then obviously you have your pedals, which we put those on, and you can see they're marked right and left. Very simple to put together. I just followed the instructions, and it took me, like I said, about an hour. It was super hot that day, and I was just about melting here in the garage. Okay guys, let's get this TST R002 E-Bike out on the road, and I'm also going to show you a way that you can change this from class 2, which is the way it comes in the box from the manufacturer, to a class 3, which will take that top speed from 20 miles an hour all the way up to 28 miles an hour. So let's turn this thing on, power it up. We'll hit our power button, and our digital display comes up. We're in pedal assist mode 0. So I'm gonna go ahead and pedal this thing out of the garage here. Now we'll go up to gear shift pedal assist 4. And we're at about 18 miles an hour. I can no longer pedal to keep up. And we're going to put this in pedal assist 5. We're going to go up to Shimano in gear 7. And this should get us up to close to 30 miles an hour. I can only pedal up to 24. So we got up to about 27. In gear shift on the Shimano in gear 7 and pedal assist mode 5. Another option you have, instead of pedaling to go, you can use this throttle button right here, and that will get you going. So I'm gonna actually do that now. So you can see there with my left thumb, I hit that throttle button and the bike will go. No pedaling necessary. Doesn't matter what gear you're in here. So if you just want to get going, like if you're going up a hill like I was, you can hit that. And again, I'm in pedal assist mode 5 at this point. The seat is pretty comfortable. Suspension is adjustable. And obviously we saw the big fat tires that are on here. So you could take this thing probably pretty comfortably off-road and ride on some dirt or some trails. I'm not sure how heavy duty, but the frame is nice tubular. I think it's aluminum or cast of some sort, but it's pretty good. So now what I'm going to do, that was a little bit of pedaling. What we're going to do now is, again, we're in class 3 mode. I'm actually going to go out on this road, which is closed, and we're going to test this thing out as to how fast it will go in the various pedal assist using only the throttle. So I'm going to go to 1. We're in pedal assist 1, and I'm just going to use the throttle. We'll get going. This is a closed road. This lane coming at us is closed, so I don't have to worry about traffic. Traffic on my right is still open, but they have this road closed. So we're up to like 19 going downhill. And assist mode 1, we'll go up into 2, go up this hill. Get going here. And again, I'm just pressing that throttle with my left thumb, just holding it all the way down. That gets you going. So we're at about 18 in pedal assist mode 2. We'll go up to 3. That should get us going a little faster, over 20. We're at 22, 24, 24, and then assist mode 4 will get us going in that 20 to 22 mile an hour range on flat ground. So now we've come to the end of the one way. So I'm just going to turn around here. And guys, if you are interested in this, go down in the description. I will have a direct link to this bike as well as a discount code. so that you can save $100 on this. This bike right now retails for $8.99. If you use that code, it's $7.99. They do ship, I think it was either FedEx or UPS. They delivered it right to my door. Not much installation, you know, just about an hour. Pretty simple. I had never done it before, so it didn't take too long. So now what I'm going to do is run up this same road. We're going to be in assist mode 5, throttle only, and see if we can get going. Here we go. No pedaling. Should have no cars coming up behind us. Okay, we're at 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That was pretty flat ground. We hit 27. If we wouldn't have started going up that hill, I think we definitely would have hit 28 miles an hour, which is the max speed for a Class 3 e-bike. Speed limit on this road is 35. There we hit 28, 29, going downhill, 28. So we'll run up the rest of this hill. We'll turn around right up here. Come in here, turn around. And we'll give it another run, going downhill back into the subdivision, and we'll pull into the garage and talk a little bit more about this. All right, we're pulling out here. So that's the TST R002, and what I did want to show you now is Global Sports. I downloaded that onto my phone, and then I registered it, and then once you turn that on, you can connect to the bike and you can see it's there. And I have that set in Class 3. You can go back to Class 2 and that will slow that down just a little bit. I don't have it connected to the bike. But once you do, you can switch between those modes. And again, it's a free app. It is the Global Sports. And that's the way to get this to be a Class 3 e-bike. So again, go down to the description if you're interested in this. I do have a direct link as well as that discount code, which will save you $100. This is a cool little e-bike. If I'm not riding one of the Harleys, the Road Glide Special, I got the Ahura electric motorcycle, the CVO Street Glide, or the Harley Davidson Street Glide ST. This is the bike I'm going to be riding to get some exercise and have some good times with it. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also go up to the left-hand corner of your screen and check out that video, and go to the right-hand corner of your screen and subscribe to the HD Vibe channel.